In this question we have to find the acceleration of m and 5m. Now it looks a bit complicated question, but it is not if you are able to apply the concepts we studied properly, especially the concept of displacement when one of the pulley is free to move. Now obviously 5m is much heavier than m, so it is the acceleration of 5m will be in downward direction. So I'll write here as a. Now we should first establish the acceleration, the relation between the acceleration of 5m and m. So let us say that 5m moves down by a displacement x. Since it is connected by two strings, that means both of the strings will be pulled downward by the same displacement x. Now there will be x displacement in this string, and since it is the same string coming here, that means this pulley number 2 will move up by a displacement of x, because there is displacement of x in this string and this is connected to 2, so 2 will move up by a displacement of x. Now this pulley is free, so if there is a displacement of x in upward direction, so there will be a displacement of x in both of these strings each, so there will be displacement of x here and here, like this. Also when it is moving down, as I already said, it will pull this string downward, so there will be a displacement of x in downward direction also. Now consider this, you have to use your imagination a little bit. This pulley is moving up by a displacement x, at the same time this mass is moving down. For if we look from the point of view of this m, then it is having a displacement of x because of this, and also a displacement of x because of this quantity, because this pulley will also move up. Not just the string, the pulley is also moving up, so that means the total displacement of this body will be equal to 3x. So make sure you understand this. If you do not, pause the video and go back and listen to this again. So this body will move upward in 3x direction because there is x displacement here and x displacement here, and also x in this upward direction, so total displacement for this mass is 3x, and for 5m it is x. So that means the acceleration of this body should be equal to 3a in upward direction, because it is completing a displacement of thrice of this in the same time, so acceleration should be thrice. Now let us come to the tension part. So this is T, and since this is the same pulley, so in this string also it will be T. This is free massless ideal pulley, so total force should be equal to 0. So if it is T plus T 2T, that means the tension in this string should be equal to 2T, and this is the same string, so here also it will be equal to 2T. So for 5m the total tension is T in this string and 2T in this string, so total tension of 3T, and for this it will be T only. So now if we make free body diagram, then let us first make free body diagram of 5m. So its weight will be in downward direction, which is 5 mg. In upward direction tension is 3T, and it is moving down with an acceleration a. Similarly, free body diagram of m. Its weight mg is in downward direction, and in upward direction the tension is T only, and it is moving up with an acceleration of 3a. Now if we make the equation, then for this it will be 5 mg minus 3t equals to 5 ma, or we can write it as t minus mg, or we can do it later on. First write the equation of this one. It will be t minus, it is moving up, so t minus mg equals to 3 ma. Now if we solve these two equations, then we'll get a relation of 2 mg equals to 14 ma. From here m will get cancelled out and a will be equal to 14 upon 2 into 10, so it will be reciprocal. A will be equal to 2 into 10 upon 14, so this will come out to be 10 by 7 meter per second square. So since we have found the value of a, now we can find the acceleration of each of the body. So acceleration of 5m will be equal to, this is equal to a, so it is 10 by 7 meter per second square. Acceleration of m is equal to 3a, so it will be equal to 30 upon 7 meter per second square. 5m is moving downward, so we can say acceleration is downward, and it is moving upward, so acceleration will be upward.